back to my channel. How are you? Hope you are all good and doing well. Today's video is a makeup look and I am creating Jennifer Winget inspired makeup look. So by not wasting time, let's see the video. First I am applying moisturizer. Then applying primer from Miss Clair. Then applying foundation and strobing cream. Both are from Maybelline. Take foundation as much as you need and take little amount of strobing cream and mix them well. First applying the foundation with my finger and then blending it with damp beauty blender. Next applying concealer from Maybelline. And blending it with a brush. Then contouring my face, and here I am using Mars highlighter and contour palette. And blending it with a brush in upward direction. Setting the concealer with some loose powder. For eyebrows, I am using this dark brown shade from Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. I am starting eye makeup. To fix the crease line, I am using this light brown shade. Applying this brown shade on my eyelids. Make it more darken using this dark brown shade on eyelids. Applying Kajal on upper lash line. Just making a thin line. Now smudge it out. Now give it a shimmery look. I am using this brown shade on my eyelids from Miss Rose eyeshadow palette. Now applying Kajal on lower lash line. Then applying this light brown shade on lower lash line. After that, applying this brown shade on lower lash line to darken it more. Then applying mascara from Maybelline. Now I am taking off the loose powder and applying blush from Oriflame. And it's time for highlighting. For highlighting, I am using this Miss Clair highlighter palette. To highlighting brow bone, using this white shade from the same palette. And also applying the same shade in my inner corner. Lastly, I am applying liquid lipstick from Matte Me.
final look is ready. Like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share this video, and if you are new in this channel, then don't forget to subscribe lifestyle. Thank you, take care, bye bye.